Right everyone, we're here again. Video number 2. Can't believe it, but if you're here and you saw the first one, thank you for checking it out. If you're here and you haven't seen the first one, if I can get it to work, I'll put it there somewhere. What we're doing today is we're going to Birkwood fisheries again, and I'm hoping to redeem myself from last week when I didn't catch anything on the carp rod. But we're going to do things a little bit different this time. Last video it was sort of me introducing myself and the channel, and I want as much fishing as I would have liked. This week there's going to be less of the montages, me packing the car, and more of just the fishing and the catches. So let's hope I actually catch something, because if I don't it'll be a bit shit. Thanks guys for coming back again, and we'll see you when we get there. Okay everyone, we've just arrived. It's not that busy today, which is good. It's a bit dull and windy still, so that could affect the video, but we'll give it a go anyway. Not going on the same lake as I went on last week. So last week we were on Molly's Lake. This week I've decided to jump onto a different lake just to see if I can have some better luck. I'm not sure which one I'm going to choose yet, but I'm parked next to 3 different ones, so I'm just looking around. They're all pretty quiet. I reckon what I'll do is I'll have a look around and just see if I can see any activity. If I can see any fish, then I'm going to pick that place. One thing that I do want to say is a lot of the terminal tackle that I use is from a company called Tracks. If you've heard of them, great. If you haven't, I'll put a link in the video description where you can check them out and see what they do. They're a great team of people and the products are fantastic. I've not been paid to say that. I choose to use them because they're a really great community, and the products really are fantastic products, and they do exactly what they say they should do, which is catch more fish. You know, if you're interested, check them out, and hopefully the next time we're talking, I've got a fish on the line. Cheers guys. Right, we're all set up and ready to go. It's windy, really windy out here. Just waiting for the other guys to get in now, but I've got my carp rod in the water, float rod set up and good to go. I think the wind's going to be a problem again, but you know, we'll try and see what we can catch, and hopefully I get a decent carp today and some nice little fishies. Oh yes! He's got it. Yes! And his chair's in the water.
Thank God I'm not in my bloody car.
Oh! The lads are here now. So stay there, put his fucking chair in water, making his soup. You catch some more, it's going to be
A little bit of soup there for you guys to have a look at.
Oh yeah. Oh, everybody watch my videos on YouTube so that I can retire. Thank you guys. Yeah. Even my mates won't watch these videos. They don't support me. Oh, you want me to watch that? Yeah. Not interested. Well, they'll be interested when I've got 1 million subscribers. Yeah. Oh no! I was on. No! What? I'm an hour in and I've not caught up yet. That's not a good sign. That's fishing for you. Yes! Oh my god! Oh no! Did you see how much my rod was bent? Yes! Ah. Where's my net? Shit! Can you grab it? Get here! I don't know what that is. We'll find out later. I'll put a title on it. It's got orange fins. It's like a rope. save the blank, yes. Let's go check it out. I saved you, Peter. Wait. Oh, nice. Get Adam's. Adam, he brings that map.
Yeah. Little carp there, boys.
Nice. Always put the fish
That's
back
it.
safely.
Should do it with the nets, but oh, not like that. But there you go. Not like that.
He's a criminal.
Here's upset. Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah. Chicken and mushroom pasty, that's on an angle, so that's going to be really good quality footage. It's on an angle. Chicken and mushroom pasty. I've caught a fish. He's caught 2 fish. He's caught 1 fish. That's 4 fish. I'm right, what else to say? Keep going. That went.
Oh, bloody hell.
Wait a minute. This is pulling a bit. Have I caught a stick or something? It doesn't feel like a fish.
He's in, folks.
Decent. Biting is this? Decent carp.
Yes. Not bad. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh yes.
Oh, it's not little. That's a decent size. That.
It popped out of its mouth and it's gone into its fin.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. It's a very chunky one. Chunky carp. Wait, calm down, Nelly. Go on. Well,
Very beautiful.
there's carp down there. That's what we want.
Anything to say? Any tips for the viewers?
Tips are, just leave it in water. Watch the float, if it goes under, strike, done.
There you go, folks. You heard it here first.
Always wipe your hands. It's quite sticky. Oh yes! Oh, get it. Skimmer, my favourite. Skimmer. Quite big. Whoa. Skimmer. Green. Covered in it. Covered in slime. Bream slime. All over my hands. Adam's got his hook caught in the tree. Okay, let's go back with the rod straight. Don't bend your rod. Yeah, like that. It'll ping out if you do that, or it'll snap.
This line's going to snap, it's tight as this.
This is how you unsnag yourself.
Whoa!
Like that. My eye! Beautiful.
Didn't mean to go there.
He's on. He's fighting, he's got it on feeder.
Speed rate.
Decent this, I think.
I think it's fighting a bit. Right, it's going under.
It's decent, it's fighting.
Nice little view with that.
Yeah, nice little cat. Oh,
Lovely.
there's the wind.
Lovely.
Whoa! Oh my god! Yeah.
Oh no. I think it's on.
No, it's not. It might be actually. Yeah, it is. Yeah. I just can't reel it in.
You want to pull it in with line?
My other line's in water. It's taking line off me and I'm not even... Which one?
Say something.
Can somebody help me with net? Adam, will you get the net?
That's not the catchphrase.
The catchphrase is this fish needs to get in the net.
Looks like a ripper.
What the hell is it again?
I'm going back.
Pull him just there. There you go, you got it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, it's
man.
a lovely one. Look at these.
Walk over at mine.
Oh my god, look at this.
Yeah, it's worth the wait.
Oh my god, I need to weigh it.
Worth the wait.
Beautiful cat.
Properly in the
Fishing with potatoes, that's how you do it. Get a catch with a potato.
So record.
It'll have gone red, that thing, if it's not.
Can't see it. The screen's gone right there.
Hopefully it's
I
recording.
think it's.
So I'll weigh it.
Oh,
Damn. Well,
we'll call that about a £5, 4.5, 5 maybe.
yeah, can't wait because I've run out of batteries, but never mind. Good fish. Off you go. Okay, let's go this way.
Woohoo!
Get in!
Yes!
Get real fishing. Catching fish with all crap that don't work. Tried to come to get out of wind, but I don't think it's going to work. It's really, really windy today. There's not really anywhere that you can stand where you're not in the wind. Worse than last time, but I've had 4 fish. There's the wind again. I've had one massive carp, which I'm really happy about because it worked. I got it on that screamer rod and I hope it recorded it. The other guys have had fish as well. Steve's had a couple of small carp, which is good. He's got them on a method feeder. Then we've had a few on floats as well, which is awesome. So just got to keep going while it's windy like this and hope we can catch some more. I'm going to get back to it now, but thanks guys for checking out the video, and again, like and subscribe if it's your sort of thing, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. There we go. This is what we fish for.
What fishing's all about?
Whoppers like that. Look at that. Beautiful whopper. Where is it? Oh yeah. Oh Adam, yes. Yes.
We got it. Get it through that.
Nice. Proper decent carp. Didn't go for it. Yeah, it's in its fin. I knew
Yeah.
it.
Reverse catch. Okay.
Yeah. Last fish of the day.
Got it.
Beautiful.
Decent carp.
Aye.
Chubby. Fucking whacker. Off you go.
Beautiful. Any final words for the team?
Well, we've caught a lot of fish today. Foul looked half of them. Foul look means you didn't get it in its mouth. It can't be helped. You reel it in, it does that. So there you go. Slimy hands. See you later, guys.
See you later.
Good day today.
Good day fishing.
Have fun.
Beautiful day.
Have fun on your journey back. Right everyone, that's it. What a day it has been today. Windy as always, but what an awesome day we had down at Birkwood Fisheries just outside Wakefield. We went on Emily's Lake instead of Molly's Lake, which we normally go on, and thank Christ I finally got to catch something on the big carp rod. I don't know why it's zooming in like that. On the big carp rod. So yeah, I managed to get a nice big one. I'm pretty sure it was my PB, but the stupid scales wouldn't turn on, so that's good. And then as soon as I put it back in water, they turned on. Fantastic. We got loads of carp between us. I think in total we must have had about 15-20 fish out at water. Why is it doing that? Pumping. About 15-20 fish out at water. So yeah, it's been a fantastic day. We've had a good day, some funny bits. Hopefully it comes out all right. But thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you did enjoy it. If you didn't, never mind.